In order to get your design onto a t-shirt, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson hybrid DTG print technology. You'll need a heat press, automated pre-treater, and the Epson F2270 printer. First, we'll thread our dark garment onto the heat press, place a sheet of parchment paper, and press it for about 20 seconds. Next, lay the garment onto the automated pre-treater and press the button to spray. Carefully thread your shirt back onto the heat press and allow it to hover under the heat for a few minutes. Next, place a sheet of parchment paper and press the shirt for 75 seconds. In Garment Creator, open the design that you'd like to print, select dark color garment, and press the print button. Thread your shirt onto the quick load hanger platen and press the blue button to begin the print. When the printing's complete, carefully thread your shirt back onto the heat press, apply a sheet of parchment paper, and press for 75 seconds to cure the print. And that's how easy it is to get a design onto a shirt using the Epson SureColor F2270.